Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified CPA accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And holy crap, is there some breaking news today? We have a complete and utter victory for the AMC and GME ape movement. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You have finally sent Wall Street a message that they will never, ever, ever forget. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Melvin Capital, the hedge fund made famous by the GameStop short squeeze, has closed out of business. They're done. The AMC and GME apes have totally destroyed one of the best hedge funds in the United States. And you should be proud of yourself because you have made a massive, massive difference. So let's go read this article, and then I'm going to show you what great changes the GME and AMC apes have made. So here it is. Melvin Capital to shut after heavy losses on meme stocks and market slump. So we go down and we say Melvin Capital, once one of Wall Street's most successful hedge funds, lost billions of dollars during the meme stock saga. So they were short GameStop. The AMC apes came and bought in and generated a massive short squeeze. And this fund, this hedge fund, got freaking annihilated. Now, this fund was ran by Gabe Plotkin, who was widely regarded as one of the industry's best traders after posting double-digit returns. Now, a lot of you apes think he's just stealing money from people, but he's probably just making good trades, okay? So sadly, this hedge fund is gone. The firm had 12.5, and keep this number in mind, the firm had $12.5 billion in assets at the start of 2021, and they had $7.8 billion in assets at the end of April. So they've been freaking annihilated. They are down massively since the start of 2021. I mean, the whole market's down, but that's still a pretty significant decline. Jesus. Now, let me show you what great message you sent to Wall Street, apes. You've done such a great job. You've proven me wrong. I mean, I was really skeptical of this movement. But by taking down Melvin Capital, you've just destroyed all hedge funds and corruption and everything. It's over. For example, if we go and look here, value of assets managed by hedge funds worldwide from 1997 to Q3 2021. What does that number say? Is that $4.5 trillion of assets under the management of evil hedge funds who are exploiting people? $4.5 trillion are under the management of hedge funds. Let's go back and look. How much did Melvin Capital have before you AMC Apes sent a huge message to Wall Street? $12.5 billion. Wow, you've taken out like 0.0001% of all hedge funds worldwide. Congratulations, apes. You really made a difference. And we look here, the number of hedge funds in the United States. This is just the United States. As of 2022, there are roughly, I mean, I'm sure the number's not 100% accurate, 3,841 hedge funds. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You have defeated one of the 3,841 hedge funds. You have sent such a message to Wall Street. Let me tell you what really happened with this whole squeeze, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you that bought in early made a killing. The hedge fund, Melvin Capital, lost a lot of money. Their returns were transferred to you. A lot of you apes bought at the top like total freaking clowns. And guess what? Now you're going to be bag holders of crappy stocks like AMC and GameStop for the rest of your freaking life unless you sell. You've been hoodwinked. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Do you think you sent a message to Wall Street, or do you think you enriched Wall Street? I argue you have made Wall Street more money because apps like Robinhood and all the other traders and brokers, they make a freaking fortune off of you retail trading in and out of securities. These meme stocks are highly traded. People are just passing them back and forth. And it's mostly just from retail to retail. Retail is just fleecing retail at this point. You're making these people a fortune. Go look at Robinhood's revenue. Where do you think that came from? It came from you guys buying all those stupid shares in Dogecoin. Wow. So basically, you guys took out 1/1000th of hedge funds in the United States. You've destroyed 0.0001% of assets under management by hedge funds. And you took down a manager, a star manager that was doing an amazing job for his clients up until you clowns bought GameStop. There's so much to be proud of, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you may think I'm negative and I'm going after this popular movement. Well, guess what? The AMC movement and the GME movement is a freaking scam. If you got in early, you made your money. If you're still watching these freaking losers on YouTube that are, oh, buy AMC, it's going to the moon, there's going to be a short squeeze. There's not going to be another short squeeze. I've been saying this over and over again. You missed the freaking boat, and a lot of you bought at the top. And if you have massive losses in these stocks, I don't know what to tell you. Now, what these clowns on YouTube and other platforms are going to tell you is, well, we're sticking it to the hedge funds. Keep fighting the hedge funds. We're going to take them out. We're all going to be trillionaires. The hedge funds have long moved on from these stocks, okay? If you think hedge funds, who are composed of some of the brightest minds in finance and mathematics, you think they're just going to sit there? You think they're sitting there right now with their thumb up their butt, just waiting for you to annihilate them? No, you missed your freaking chance, okay? This whole movement is a joke, and all you're doing is enriching the clowns that bought in early and the grifters and clowns on YouTube that are still telling you to buy the stock because you give them super chats, you buy their merch, you still watch their channel. They're making money off of you buying crappy freaking stocks. You need to divest of those stocks if you have them, okay? I mean, it's not financial advice, of course, but you should really consider maybe getting rid of those stocks, because at the end of the day, you know what's really going to send a message to Wall Street, ladies and gentlemen? Index funds. I just literally showed you the impact you had on Wall Street. You didn't do anything. You took out one hedge fund. Congratulations. There's 3,800 in the United States. You took out a hedge fund worth $12 billion of assets under management. There's $4.5 trillion of assets under management. Your movement was a complete and utter failure. And while you may be celebrating on your little GameStonk forums and whatever, you didn't do crap. The vast majority of you lost money for nothing. Most of your money probably got funneled to a very small minority of Wall Street bets doofuses that got in early. Congratulations. You should be freaking proud of yourself. And guess what? I bet you Gabe's going to come back and probably start a new hedge fund. Well, good job. But if you buy index funds, you max your tax advantage accounts and buy index funds, you deprive Wall Street of fees. If you don't trade stocks on Robinhood, you deprive Robinhood of fees. Robinhood is making a killing off of you people. If you buy an index fund, Wall Street doesn't make any money. They make very piddly amounts of money. But Wall Street doesn't want you to go in index funds because they don't make any money off of them. They want you to go and invest in actively managed funds, and they want you to get on your little stupid app and trade stocks. That's how they made money. And you played right into their freaking hands. So congratulations, Apes. What are the GME people called? Do they call themselves Apes too? You guys had a great victory. You should be really proud of yourself. Jesus Christ. All right, let's do some comments, and I have to go somewhere. Old Dad, first comment. By the way, I'm doing a stream with Andrew tomorrow, 8 p.m. So tune in. I'll make the link shortly. I just finished reading The Revolution That Wasn't. Not as good as I thought. Enjoyed the last couple of chapters, though. Yeah, was that the book I was reading? It was okay. I'll do a review. Sorry to be off topic. What a strong man think of owning physical gold. Gold is crap. I don't like it. Apes rejoice! You guys won! You took out all hedge funds. Woohoo! Keep watching Ape Father. Keep watching Lou vs. Wall Street. You guys won. Go buy their stuff. Give them ad revenue. Oh my God. Not every hedge fund is evil. No, they're just making money for their clients. Okay. And shorting a stock is not evil. If a stock is massively overvalued, it's actually a good thing that it gets shorted. Okay. Because it's trash and it should be very much lower than it is. Okay. There's nothing wrong with shorting a stock. You can be long a stock. You can be short a stock. Wow. Oh, but you're costing people jobs. Well, guess what? If the company's trash, they're going to lose their jobs anyway. Ugh. So was this video Kevin's idea? Well, he didn't pay me, so no. 0.001% of assets under management. You mean that I have left after investing in China? We're not down that bad. We're not down that bad, Elemental, okay? We still have some money left, just not much. Oh, dude, you need to email me that picture. Please email me that picture. That is awesome. I don't know how you got that. Woo! if Robinhood was making a boatload of money at GME, they would not have paused trading. Well, there's a whole story behind that of where they had a certain amount of collateral because they were extending so many loans to traders that the people that were lending Robinhood money, they were like, hey, you need some more cash reserves because if all these traders lose all their money and you're left on the dime for picking up their freaking bags, you're going to go out of business. So you better have more cash collateral. That's basically what happened. Oh, no, it was a conspiracy, everybody would have been trillionaires. But yes, the squeeze already happened. I agree, 100%. Woo, you're speaking facts. Great video. Thank you, buddy. All right. Well, I got to do some army stuff. Sadly, I'm still in the army. And what happened to my camera? Anyway, that's it. Talk to you later. Cheers.